I love about autumn?
What the heck, I'll bite. What?
It's the budding nature of the plant life and
Autumn?
the weather. I enjoy the buds that come out of the ground, and I enjoy the buds we make along the way.
All right, I'm gonna stop you there. That's spring you're thinking of.
Earbuds!
Or you're thinking of earbuds.
Welcome to Good Tech Chief. I'm your host, Adron.
I'm your host, Kevin.
Hey, if you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
So, Bud, what's on your mind?
Well, Bud, we got a 2-for-1 today. We're talking about two different QCY earbuds.
That sounds like a pretty good deal if you ask me. And you didn't. What's really cool about these earbuds is we're talking about the latest technology. We're right here, right now. The tech has been getting better and better and better, and wait till you hear about the specs regarding the tech about these buds.
Oh yes. Let's start out with the QCY T16. Now these buds, they're pretty nice. They got aptX Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.2.
Did you say 5.0? Because that's pretty, up to date.
No, 5.2.
Whoa.
Yeah, we went from 5.0, 5.1, we're at 5.2. Like, keep up with the tech. They also have great mic noise canceling and an IPX4 waterproofing. Additionally, they have aptX adaptive and dynamic sound. So pretty nice overall, pretty up to date on the sound quality and the noise cancellation.
Oh, yes. And latency, which has been a problem with headphones and earbuds for years.
Yes.
It does not really exist at all with these earbuds.
No.
Transfer of sound is pretty immediate.
Oh, speaking of immediate, these babies charge super quick. It has quick charge, and these buds have 4 mics and CVC for crystal clear calling. Don't worry about sounding hazy on those calls anymore with your earbuds. They got you covered. No problem.
Oh yeah. And what's more, there's an app for that.
There is.
And it's not just a superfluous, hey, we can do stuff on our phone kind of app.
No.
There's a level of control that you can get with these earbuds that you pretty much cannot get anywhere else.
You can control all of your different QCY devices from one single app, which is pretty gosh darn nice, in my opinion.
One of the main features that I thought was really, really cool, and Adrian is going to demonstrate it in just a little bit. I like to listen to rock music, and sometimes I like to listen to classical music.
Yes.
And with the app, I can actually custom control the EQ, raising the bass levels, the treble levels, the mid levels, up and down, to suit my taste for my music at the moment.
Yeah.
That's a great amount of control.
That is a really good amount of control. Yeah, in the app itself, you can pretty much customize anything you want to. You can customize what a single tap does, what a double tap does, what a triple tap does. If you want to triple tap your right earbud to skip forward one, but triple tap the left one to skip back one, you got it. You can also customize the tapping features based on listening versus calling someone. So they let you customize pretty much everything. And not only that, these babies got lip syncing performance.
Gotta love that. And another really neat feature, because we're dealing with cutting edge technology, is when you want to sync your earbuds to your phone. All you do is you open the lid. And we're going to show that to you in just a little bit.
Finally, what's in the box?
Yes. Well, you're going to get some earbuds in their charging case, which makes sense.
Yeah. You're also going to get some ear tips, 3 pairs for small, medium, or large. You're also going to get a USB Type-C cable and a user manual.
It's nice to learn how to use the tech that you buy.
Yes.
And speaking of buying tech, if you click on that link in the description below, and we promise it's going to work and take you someplace, someplace you're going to like a lot,
Yes.
You'll find that you can actually get these earbuds if you apply the coupons that are there. Well, you don't have to believe us. Why don't we just show you how they work?
Let's go!
Oh, hey, buddy.
Oh, hey. So, we are over here in GTC offices. We got our first set of earbuds right here. I want to try them out real quick, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
So what's cool is that they also have an app associated with this as well. so you can monitor all your different earbuds that you may have from this company. Now, to add the device, you just need to obviously open the lid first, and then you gotta just add device, wait for it to scan, and there, boom, we got it, the T16. Now let's go ahead and connect, and what's cool is that you can customize what tapping features you want. So while you're on a call, it already says here you can answer and the call, double tap to play or pause, you can triple tap for voice assistance, and it doesn't have to be the same for both earbuds. You can see through my screen share that you can double tap on one to play or pause, but see here, I can double tap on the right earbud to skip the track backwards. Super easy. Also allows you to customize your equalizer, pop, bass, soft, classic, etc., etc. Also has a find headset feature, sleep mode, updates, all of this stuff. Even lets you just reset to default if you want to give it to another person. They want to customize the features as well. So overall, you know, pretty customizable, which is very nice. Now let's go ahead, try them out. Ooh. So they've paired automatically to my ears, which is super nice, all because of the app. And let's go ahead and play something real quick, shall we? And boom. All right, let me pause it real quick. Pause immediately. Now let me triple tap it for voice assistance. Series just popped up for me. Very easy, very nice, and it sounds really good too. I can really hear the outside world, which is what I want.
Well, I think that just about wraps it up.
Thank you so much to QCY for sponsoring this video. If you like the T13 or the HT03 earbuds, please click on that link in the description below to buy a pair yourself. Yeah,
Good deal.
good deal overall. Well, that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap from Los Angeles, California. I've been Adron.
I've been Kevin.
Stay safe
Be kind.
and see you next time. Bye.